Hey, excuse me, that's my shower.
This is my shower.
Alright, if it's your shower, prove it and mark your territory.
Why?
Ouch.
Daddy,
Yes, princess.
come play with me.
Have you been a good girl today?
Yes, Daddy.
Are you telling the truth?
No, Daddy.
Go get Betty.
Tony, I want a shot.
No, you're not.
Are you fucking kidding me, Anthony? It's disgusting. Why do you do that? Why do you fucking do that? Put a fucking bathing suit on. What? Are you fucking kidding me?
Excuse me, I'm so sorry to interrupt the workout, but how long have you been working out? Your physique, you got bigger legs than me. Like, leg days every day. How long have you been working out?
3.5 years.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. You compete.
Yes.
You win. I can tell you win. Oh my.
Baby biceps.
Dang.
It's going.
Everything's expensive, everything's designer. I ain't gonna say too much, because this shit way too expensive to be in the chlorine water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you guys. Don't pull. Ow!
Who was that? Who was that? Damn it, Casper! If it was you.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Shut your dumb ass up. He tongued your ear.
Yeah! Talk about a wet willy.
Dad, there's a snake in the pool. There's a snake.
Shit.
Excuse me? You're doing the workout wrong. You want me to show you how to do it? You got this? Like that.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. Look.
Sir, can I play with your balls?
Pardon me?
Can I play with your balls? Your balls. Can I play with your balls?
I didn't put them in there. Somebody else did. Good day.
Oh, I can have them?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ven, bebé, vamos a ver una película.
Bueno, amor, dame un momentico, déjame terminar aquí, ¿ok?
Ese soy yo, por cierto. Soy Max, el perro enano que está ahí, agradecido de ser aplastado por una horda de niños.
Excuse me, sir. I like your shirt.
Thanks, I like the jeans.
Thank you.
Are you fucked?
What? He has a nice shirt.
Yeah, so roll down the fucking window and tell him?
That's what I did.
Why don't I just fucking do that every time I see a fucking hot girl?
Why don't you?
I fucking will.
Hurry up.
How are you?
Good. You?
Good.
Aren't you supposed to be on a diet for track?
Mind your own business. Bitch, you need to be on a diet too.
Am I really that big?
Yeah, bitch, you're big as fuck.
Good job, baby!
Grab my wallet right there.
Daddy.
What the fuck?
What?
You just called me daddy.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You don't call a boy daddy.
You're my boy, so I can call you daddy.
No, you can't.
You're my boy.
So call me your boy, not daddy.